In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In those settings, scroll down just a bit to access apps. Then tap on default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!